I suppose it's possible that back in the 90s, maybe my grandfather had it serviced a few times. Maybe even in the 80s. But I was never aware of that actually occurring. Comes right off. I think there's an O-ring here that I've got to get off. There we go. And there it is. This thing's been in there for perhaps close to 50 years, and it gets run dry all the time. It still has all of its fins. They're looking a little thin, but they're doing all right. Let's pull this out. There we are. That looks phenomenally good. And this thing, when we dry run it, we don't just idle it for a minute. We'll rev it up. We'll rev it up. We don't run it long, but considering the conventional wisdom on these is that you don't dry run them at all, and this has been dry run basically every time it's been launched for at least 30 years, and it's been used every year. That's not bad at all. Here, look at this. You can even see where it still says 70 horsepower on the plate that goes beneath the water pump, because that's interesting because the replacement kits fit many different engines, and this one still has the original manufacturer's horsepower number on there, leading me to think that this is probably the one that came with the boat in 1977.